It's Rizzy here, 50 Shades of McGiffin podcast. I saw an image online. I sort of graded it. She was asking how did she get an A from the professor, but I felt like the professor. So I go C for cups, A for ass, and I'll give her the D for a lack of creativity. Yours sincerely, Rizza. Bracket. The professor, bracket. It was interesting. I felt like Facebook was Reddit for once, but like people had a name to it, like if I had an audience on Reddit, it would be bigger than the Prime Minister's speech about World War III. It'd be like, we're going, I'd be like, hell no, did my girlfriend just break up? It'll be after everything I've done for her viral, you know what I mean? That's the truth about the real world. And I did a video about real estate ages ago, and well, I had someone come up to me and ask me a question. I wish my missus' name was Sky, so I could be able to rise up to the sky, look at the clouds, say, RJM Real Estate, have we got a deal for you? Then I look away, I need the product, and there's a product, Chariot, it's all about the commission. Hashtag Rizza Fight Official.